This is how we can search in Google Docs on your iPad. So if we open up the Google Docs, make sure you have it installed, of course. You can see that these are my files which are associated with the account. And the first way to search for it is using the search right inside of the app. So I don't even have any media or any document open. I can click on the search in a Docs and type in something specific, right? I don't know. Whatever it might be, let's say email, right? And it just probably will show up the file which I'm looking for. So that's the first step. But once we get inside and open up a specific document, how do we actually search through this one? Well, in order to search for stuff, for specific words in here, we need to go to the edit mode by clicking the pencil icon in at the bottom right, like that. And once we are in the edit mode, we click on the three dots in at the top right, and you should be able to find an option which says find and replace. So that's what you need to click on, like this, and this essentially opens up the search field in the top left corner. So I don't know, you can just type in the word in here like that, and it shows you how many matches there are. So you can kind of like jump back and forth and see where everywhere the Gmail word or the specific keyword has been found. And of course, there is also the feature to replace the word with something, so you can use it. But if you're happy with just searching for words, you can use it to find where stuff is and hit the X button, and you essentially found what you were searching for. So let me know what you think about this below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.